Hello everyone friends, I'm Weller, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add an accessory in Roblox Studio. So for this, we're going to launch our studio. Here click Windows Script and then click Command Bar. Make sure this line lights up, like this. Now let's add a character here. Click Character, choose the rig type, either R15 or R6. Here, now click the avatar block. And there we go. Our avatar is ready. There it is, yeah. So I'll delete everything else. Oh, oops! I'm deleting everything else, yeah. And now we'll paste in the next command. Here, this is what it's called. You can write it down for yourself. Then we go to the store and pick the accessory we need. Let's say I'll choose these wings, and we need to copy this number from here. So we copy from here, then go back to Roblox Studio, and paste this ID here. Press Ctrl plus V and press Enter. There. And as you can see, the wings appeared as a model. Now open this up, click on the accessory, then click on Handle and check if there's a check mark on Locked. It shouldn't be locked. Alright, so now all we need to do is take this accessory, and just drag it under our rig. And there you go. We've equipped the accessory. That's all there is to it. This was Weller. And subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.